Ilu maka eku n'ite. A proverb about a ladle and a pot. Ndewo, this is Yvonne from Learn Igbo Now Challenge, and in this video we're going to learn a proverb that has to do with a ladle and the bottom of a pot. Ilu maka eku n'ite. A proverb about a ladle and a pot. But before we start, we'll look at 6 key words that we will encounter and learn in this proverb. And these words are eku, ladle, baruo, arrives, ite, pot, ofe, soup, ịgba mbọ, to strive, ịchọ, to search for. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Now the proverb goes like this. Eku baruo n'ike ite. Okute ihe dị n'ofe. Eku baruo n'ike ite. Okute ihe dị n'ofe. When the ladle arrives at the bottom of the pot, it will scoop the thing in the soup. Eku baruo n'ike ite. Okute ihe dị n'ofe. So if the ladle eventually makes its way to the bottom of the pot, avoiding every other thing in the pot, when it gets to the bottom of the pot, it will now get the most valuable thing in the soup. So the meaning, or one of the meanings of this proverbs is Onye gbasie mbọ ike, o nweta ihe ọ na-achọ. That if a person strives very hard, they will get what they are searching for, or the thing they are searching for. Onye gbasie mbọ ike, o nweta ihe ọ na-achọ. Now for that proverb again. Eku baruo n'ike ite. Okute ihe dị n'ofe. Eku baruo n'ike ite. Okute ihe dị n'ofe. When the ladle arrives at the bottom of the pot, it will scoop the thing in the soup. So again, the words we've encountered in this proverb and this lesson are eku, ladle, baruo, arrives, ite, pot, ofe, soup, ịgba mbọ, to strive, ịchọ, to search for. That's it for today. Ka o mesịa. See you soon.